Welcome back to my channel. So I just opened my eyebrow pencil, and obviously you can see that it has two sides, a brush or a spoolie, whatever you want to call it, and the pencil. And here I have a flat brush and concealer and another flat brush, but this is a little bit on the fluffy side. And now I'm just brushing my eyebrows upwards, and I'm going to draw the line along the natural lines of my eyebrow. It is usually more helpful and a lot easier if you have your eyebrows shaped or carved before drawing your eyebrows. Now I am just going in and filling my eyebrows, and I'm doing this lightly because I don't want my eyebrows to be too thick. I still want to give it that natural look, so I'm just slightly painting or filling in the eyebrows. And then for the outer part, I am pushing the eyebrows upwards because I also don't want the edge to look like a box basically. So I just push them upwards to leave that natural look. Next thing you want to do is grab your concealer. I don't like to grab too much because it makes blending a lot easier for me personally. So I just grab just a little bit, but enough to sharpen out your eyebrows. And then I place them under the eyebrows along the lines that I have drawn to make that look more sharp and neat. And I do the same thing on the top. There is definitely different methods to drawing the eyebrows. You can use a foundation on the top of the eyebrows instead of a concealer just to give it a more natural look. But for this video, I am using a concealer for both the top and the bottom. Right now I am using my second flat brush, but the fluffier one, to try to blend in that concealer. Now don't get nervous when this doesn't blend in all the way because it's still a makeup process, and you can use your foundation to blend out the edges. So to conclude this video, basically all you're doing now is just blending out the concealer, and if it's not fully blended as you want, you can use your foundation to blend out the edges like I mentioned before. And if you like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and comment and share. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.